In general, a population pyramid is a simple graph in which we can understand the demographic of a population within a specific area. They are mainly found in the shape of a pyramid and are split into two sides, male and female. The horizontal axis shows the total population, while the vertical axis shows the range of ages and the distribution of that population within each age range. Below is a simple example of a population pyramid of the country of Japan. Population pyramids are really important as they illustrate basic details about a country's population structure. Firstly, all population pyramids can be divided into three subgroups: young dependents, which are between 0 and 15, economically active, which are between 16 and 64, and old dependents, which are 65 and older. These groups are pivotal for governments in understanding how their country is structured and what amenities and laws will make populations happier. For instance, the economically active group is the working population. These are the people who increase a country's GDP and provide taxes for government spending. Therefore, most governments will want to have more economically active people than dependents. What we can also understand is that the dependents often require more amenities and services as they do not go to work. Therefore, if there are more young dependents, there will be a need for more schools and playgrounds, while if there are more old dependents, there will be a need for more retirement homes and hospitals. All of these ideas can be summarized in the dependency ratio, which is a ratio between the economically dependent, or those who do not work, and the economically active. This ratio can be calculated like this. Understanding these concepts will help governments make better decisions. Secondly, population pyramids help us to understand what stage a country is at in terms of development. Normally, the shape of a population pyramid gives us a guide to see whether the country is either developing, developed, or underdeveloped. There are four main aspects of a population pyramid that can be identified. 1. Pyramids that have a wider base often show that the country has a high birth rate, as there are a larger population of children. The opposite is true for narrower bases. 2. Pyramids that have a wider apex often show that a country has what is known as an aging population, where elderly people live longer and have higher life expectancy. 3. Anytime the pyramid unexpectedly bulges or curve is a result of either internal or external factors. For example, where migration rates are high, there could be an imbalance where there are more economically active than dependents. This is seen in the UAE, where there are significantly more males than females. Other factors may include wars, rapid population growth, diseases, and natural disasters. 4. It's important to learn how to read these pyramids as they can show pivotal information about a country. Oftentimes, LEDCs have a shape like this where their base is wide and their apex is narrow and low, indicating high birth rates with low life expectancy. On the other hand, MEDCs can have this shape with a narrow base and a wide apex, showing a low birth rate with a high life expectancy and high migration rate. Knowing this can help you read a population pyramid and find reasons and solutions to the information you find.